Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I normally do a bunch of dog unboxings, but I also do a ton of other unboxings. This is more another surprise my wife with more stuff. We're going to Japan. I'm going to try to eventually post that video. I got a bunch of stuff to post before that and after the trip that'll, include some of the stuff that I bought. So that said, I'm surprised my wife. These are going to be useful for the trip as well as when we go to events and stuff like that. You'll understand in a minute.
And today is my birthday.
I know, and she just turned 32.
No.
You never tell a woman's age. As a guy, you should know that. So it makes it easy. There's like a little pull thing right here that pulls it. Either side.
Oh, okay.
Either. There you go.
What is it? What is it? Oh, I can't. Oh, there you go.
She doesn't know. She doesn't know.
What is it? Show it to me! Why did I see it first?
So I've seen this trend.
Whoa.
I've seen this trend, and I know you like trending, like doing stuff like that on your Instagram. I'll put a link to her Instagram in the video description. But I know you. Why are you looking at all that stuff? It's all the receipts and stuff.
There's the receipt. So look how it comes with a paper bag. And okay, hold that one. And then, wow, look at even their box is the color of their thing.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah, I love their packaging.
Oh, I like the box. It's the box, guys. Thank you so much, baby.
You don't even know what it is
I
yet.
know.
It could be an empty box. How evil would that be? Pranking my wife? Pranking my wife, but it's not.
There's something inside.
That'd be so evil too, pranking my wife on her birthday.
I'll kill you.
Yeah, I know, I'd be dead. I'd be sleeping on the backyard.
Okay, let's stop it there.
So then it comes with the actual authenticity
Oh
card.
wow, look, and it comes
And
with
then the blue ribbon to wrap the purse. Like, I
Yeah.
don't know. Don't they normally? It's weird.
No. Oh,
But
there
there's your
is-
authenticity
Oh my
card.
god, no, this is so cute. Like, look, there's an envelope that you could probably put a message for a gift, baby.
Oh, my bad.
But look, oh, this is so cute. Only this is enough. Kidding. Okay, let's take
Okay.
off. And here you go.
Here, I'm gonna sit this underneath that
Yeah.
way when.
Oh, it comes with a dust bag and
It's one of those. You'll see. So it's not a purse, but
it's a kirigami.
But there is a trend, which I bought off of Amazon. There's inserts, and then you hook a strap to it, and you can use these as a purse. And I know Louis Vuitton was mad that people did that a long time ago, that they stopped selling these for the longest time, because
I think that
No.
was the the toiletry. This one is a kirigami. Look at that, guys.
but you can still do it.
Yeah.
Because open it up. There's like, look, it's
Ah!
more than one.
And there's another one.
And then.
There's a baby.
So this could be probably used as like a coin purse or like a change purse. Then this one can actually be used as a little purse for when you go out to the club, or when you go out to a club, or basically when you go to like a sporting event where they have those size limits.
He meant to say like I could put a liner, like bag liner with the comes with a coconut, because I did it on my toiletry pouch one. That I put liner, and you can put like just a
Strap to it,
generic
like a
strap,
metal or
yeah.
like a leather strap or whatever strap you want to like
And it's
hold
so
it.
cute because it's pink and it's leather inside and it smells so good.
Well, yeah, it's brand new.
And then
I hope so.
And then this one.
Yeah, you want to surprise your wife
it's
or
a red one
girlfriend or
inside.
boyfriend
That's
if they're
it.
into that. It's
Ooh.
really awesome to surprise them with this stuff. Oh, there's a little scan code and stuff like that for it.
Yeah, it's kirigami. That's what it
Oh,
says.
well, I don't remember. I just
And look, and this one.
I just see her like eyeballing stuff on Instagram
Ooh.
and looking around.
No, I tried to watch on YouTube
And
too.
yeah, and YouTube, and then I kind of So what do you think for your birthday? It's not even her birthday gift, by the way. Like, this is just because. Like, her actual birthday gift is a bunch of money. Because I want her to be able to buy something in Tokyo, Japan. Because she's, what do they call that?
Who doesn't want to post?
You know, the what is in there?
No, yeah.
What do they call that? Where they go to secondhand stores, but it's
Secondhand-
not thrifting.
Secondhand
Love stores in Japan.
Pre-love.
And
Pre-love.
hopefully I'll show her doing some of that in Japan as well. Because I know she's going to end up buying a ton of stuff.
Why it's so hard? Oh, there.
And that's what she said.
Thank you.
Alright.
Ash, Pepper, Lou, look at the bag.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And comment below what you think. And check out all the other videos. I have a bunch to surprise my daughter and wife with a bunch of cool stuff. And yeah, what do you think of the purses? And yeah, what do you think, baby?
That's good. I love it.
You don't seem that excited.
I am.
I know.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.